are many different symptoms of hearing loss. Probably the first symptom is your spouse telling you that you're having difficulty hearing. However, most people start to notice in noisy places, they're having a really hard time kind of keeping attention towards the person that they're communicating with and understanding everything they're saying. At first, our brain kind of fills in the blanks, so we don't notice it as much. And then over time, you just find yourself more and more tired after being in a noisy environment. And then that can spread to more simple listening environments, and any kind of social interaction can really become challenging. So one of the most detrimental effects of hearing loss that people don't even notice at first is that they start to isolate themselves socially and taking themselves out of environments that are just really challenging and kind of exhausting. The less they have to work to listen, the better. So you'll see a loved one maybe sit in the back of a room and smile and nod as if they're following the conversation, but not say anything for fear of answering incorrectly or interjecting the wrong comment. And that can be a real problem for other reasons. One of the first signs of dementia is also isolation, and we are seeing pretty significant links between untreated hearing loss and dementia. Another pretty common sign of hearing loss is ringing in the ears, and not everyone experiences it as a ringing. Some people hear a static sound or a low humming sound, and a lot of times they don't know that it's a problem until someone asks the question. Some people who had a lot of ear infections as a child, for example, can develop what we call tinnitus, or the ringing in the ears, and they feel like everyone else in the world must be experiencing that sound, so they don't know that it's a problem. Other people experience tinnitus as secondary to a noise exposure experience or barotrauma, and the ringing in their ears becomes so intense that they can't attend to other sounds in their environment, which actually shows up as appearing to be a more significant hearing loss than it actually is. Hearing loss and tinnitus are pretty closely related, and oftentimes tinnitus is caused by hearing loss. So we know that treatment with hearing aids can benefit a great deal of the people who are experiencing tinnitus. Anytime a person has a concern about a hearing loss, absolutely schedule a hearing evaluation. It's a very simple process. It's non-invasive, it doesn't hurt, and we can tell you within 10 minutes whether your hearing is within the range of normal or if we have something to be concerned about.